Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to play War Thunder on Oculus Quest 2. So guys, first thing that you will do is connect your Oculus Quest 2 to a computer using Oculus Link cable, then using your Steam VR. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to the store and search for Steam VR. And from here guys, click the first one. And from here guys, make sure you download this software over here and make sure it is installed. So guys, for this video, I'm not going to wait for the download to finish. I'm just going to demonstrate you the process. So guys, once you have done downloading, you can go back to the War Thunder, and over here guys, you will be able to see manage button on the right side of the screen and click properties. And then over here guys, you have here on the launch option, click on it and make sure you toggle launch War Thunder in Steam VR mode. So guys, just follow these steps, and then from there, when you open up your War Thunder, you will be able to automatically get assigned to a VR mode, and from there you'll be able to play with your Oculus. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.